Welcome back. So today I'm going to make some shelves with a secret fixing into a wall, a moderately thin shelf, but it'll be a quite strong shelf. So what I do, and I recommend that you all do it also, is if you're doing something that you've not done before, you're not quite sure with, then just knock up a little sketch. So what you can see here is that I've got a detailed section. So I've got a plan view, I've got an elevation. You've seen that I've done like little cutting lists before, but when you're not sure, then do a little drawing. You can spend 10 or 15 minutes doing this rather than scratching your head for an hour or so in the shop or anything like that. So what we're finding here is there's a load of nails. So what these will be the internal side and not the face side. Lovely. Plugged in. Welcome back. So we'd started yesterday. We'd started routing the rebate or the rebate in the back of this timber for the MDF and the ply. But the router table was trying to snatch it and pull it, and it didn't feel right. And what I think I'm trying to do is do too much with the blade, so I'm going to do it in two passes. So a lesson here is that if it doesn't feel right and it's not cutting right, there's probably something wrong, and you need to think about how you're going to do it differently. It's come out quite nice, and what this means is that it's a planer finish, so we will just hand plane the finish. Okay, so we've cut all of those in, so we've done those, so now we need the 5mm ply and a 1/2 inch MDF. They're glued up. Tomorrow, go on the wall. Right, welcome back. So this is the morning now. Everything's glued up, as you can see. So I've got the oak, a little bit of 1x1 actually now, about 20mm. And if there's any doubt about the strength of these shelves, as I say, I don't think I would be able to do that on just a bit of 12mm MDF with a 1x1 frame around it. So as you can see, this has got like at least 80 kilos worth of capacity. So, but glue and screw between your board and your down members, and you'll have a very strong shelf. Right, going to finish these off. So MDF, what I'll do, these screw holes here, never want to get these screws out, never want to get these screws out again, so I'm going to fill them all. Right, there you go. So this is now ready to go on the wall. That's it, that's how you make very strong, solid shelf with hidden fixings, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and if you like it, subscribe.